Have you ever wished you could create stunning high-end decor and garden pieces without breaking the bank? What if the secret to timeless style was right under your nose, hidden in everyday Dollar Tree finds? In this video, you'll discover 15 brand new, inspired Dollar Tree DIYs for 2025 that will completely change the way you see budget crafting. From elegant home decor to chic garden accents and smart storage solutions, these projects are designed to elevate your space and your spirit. Whether you're a seasoned DIY lover or just starting out, these ideas will save you money, spark your creativity, and bring that luxe look you've been dreaming of, all with simple materials you can find today. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence and inspiration to turn ordinary Dollar Tree finds into extraordinary treasures. And if you love timeless, budget-friendly gardening and DIY ideas, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss the magic we create here at Timeless Gardening. Number 1. Chic Marble Planter. Let's start with an instant classic, a chic marble planter that looks like it belongs in a luxury boutique, but costs just a fraction of the price. Here's what you'll need: a simple Dollar Tree planter, some marble contact paper, and spray paint in a matte white or cream tone. First, give your planter a quick clean to remove any dust or residue. This helps the paint and contact paper stick better. Next, spray your planter evenly with the matte white spray paint. This gives the base a smooth, fresh finish that helps the marble paper pop. Allow it to dry completely. Now carefully cut and apply your marble contact paper, smoothing out any bubbles as you go. The key is to take your time here. The more precise you are, the more authentic that marble effect will look. Once it's fully wrapped, trim any excess paper and press the edges firmly for a clean, seamless look. And just like that, you have a high-end inspired planter that adds elegance to any room or garden corner. It's simple, stunning, and absolutely timeless. Try pairing it with succulents or your favorite small houseplants to make it really pop. Number 2. Gold-leafed candle holders. Next, we're bringing a touch of golden elegance into your space with gold-leafed candle holders. This project turns a simple glass holder into a dazzling centerpiece that looks like it came straight from a designer showroom. You'll need Dollar Tree glass candle holders, gold leaf sheets or gold leaf flakes, a soft paintbrush, and adhesive suitable for gold leaf. Start by making sure your glass holder is clean and dry. Apply a thin, even coat of adhesive where you want the gold leaf to stick. You can cover the whole surface for a bold, luxurious look, or just the base and rim for a more subtle, modern style. Wait until the adhesive is tacky, then gently press your gold leaf onto the glass using the soft paintbrush. The gold will cling beautifully, creating a textured, shimmering effect. Don't worry if it looks imperfect. That's part of the charm. Once you've covered your chosen areas, lightly brush away the excess gold leaf for a smooth, finished surface. Drop in a simple white candle, and you've got an instant statement piece that radiates warmth and sophistication. Perfect for dinner tables, mantels, or cozy garden evenings. Number 3. Luxe Velvet Throw Pillow Cover. For our third project, we're upgrading your living space with a luxe velvet throw pillow cover that feels expensive but costs next to nothing. You'll need some soft velvet fabric from Dollar Tree. Yes, they carry beautiful options now. Plus a plain pillow insert or an old pillow you want to refresh, and either fabric glue or a quick sewing kit if you prefer. Start by measuring your pillow and cutting the velvet fabric slightly larger, leaving enough room to fold the edges for a clean finish. If you're sewing, a simple straight stitch around the edges will do the trick. No sew option. Use fabric glue along the edges and press firmly until dry. For an extra touch of elegance, you can add a subtle trim or ribbon along the edges, also available at Dollar Tree. Slide your pillow inside, and instantly your couch or garden bench feels like it belongs in a boutique hotel. It's soft, stylish, and the perfect cozy upgrade that's totally budget-friendly. Number 4. Crystal-inspired jewelry holder. Next, let's create a dazzling crystal-inspired jewelry holder that looks like it belongs in a high-end boutique, but costs just a few dollars. You'll need a simple Dollar Tree tray, or shallow dish, some faux crystals or acrylic gems, and strong craft glue. Start by cleaning your tray and deciding where you want to place the crystals. You can cluster them in one corner for a subtle sparkle, or cover the whole surface for full glam. Using the glue, carefully attach the crystals one by one, pressing gently to secure. Take your time to create a pattern that feels balanced and elegant. Once the glue dries, you have a stunning jewelry holder that not only organizes your favorite pieces, but also doubles as a beautiful decor accent. Place it on your dresser, vanity or bedside table to add a little sparkle and sophistication to your everyday routine. Number 5. Elegant wall art using Dollar Tree frames. Now let's transform simple Dollar Tree frames into elegant wall art that instantly uplifts any room. You'll need a few plain frames, some gold spray paint, and botanical prints, which you can find online for free, or create yourself. Start by removing the glass and backing from the frames. Then spray paint the frames with a rich gold color. Let them dry completely. Next, print out your favorite botanical designs on quality paper. Choose images with soft greens and muted tones for a timeless look. Carefully place the prints inside the frames and reassemble. Arrange your new art pieces in a gallery wall style, or hang them individually, to add a touch of sophistication and calm to your space. This project is simple, affordable, and creates a high-end vibe without the designer price tag. Number 6. DIY mini greenhouse using Dollar Tree containers. Now let's bring a bit of garden magic indoors with a DIY mini greenhouse made entirely from Dollar Tree containers. You'll need clear plastic containers with lids, the kind you find in the food storage aisle, plus some small plants or seedlings, and a bit of potting soil. Start by carefully cleaning the containers and removing any labels. Then fill the bottom with a layer of soil and plant your seedlings or small plants inside. Close the lid to create a humid, warm environment that helps your plants thrive, just like a real greenhouse. Place your mini greenhouse in a sunny spot and watch your plants grow faster and healthier. This project is perfect for starting seeds early in the season, or for growing herbs right on your windowsill. It's simple, effective, and adds a touch of life to your home or garden space. Number 7. Decorative plant stakes with beads and wire. Next, we're adding a bit of sparkle to your garden with decorative plant stakes made from beads and wire, all from Dollar Tree. You'll need some sturdy floral wire, colorful beads, and floral tape or wire cutters. Start by cutting the wire to your desired length. Then string on the beads in any pattern or color combo you like. Once your beads are arranged, twist the ends securely and wrap floral tape around the wire stem for a polished look. Stick your new stakes into pots or garden beds to add whimsical accents that catch the sunlight beautifully. They're lightweight, weather-resistant, and bring that subtle high-end detail that makes your garden truly special. Number 8. Painted terracotta look planters from Dollar Tree pots. Now let's give plain Dollar Tree pots a luxurious makeover with a painted terracotta look that's warm and timeless. You'll need plain terracotta style pots from Dollar Tree, terracotta colored acrylic paint, and a few paint brushes. Start by cleaning the pots to ensure the paint adheres smoothly. Apply a base coat of terracotta paint evenly around the pot. Once dry, add subtle shading or texture with a dry brush technique to mimic the natural imperfections of real terracotta. Let everything dry thoroughly before planting your favorite greenery inside. These pots bring an earthy elegance to your garden or patio, all without the high price tag of authentic terracotta. Number 9. Elegant garden lanterns from Dollar Tree candle holders. Next, we're crafting elegant garden lanterns that add a cozy high-end glow to your outdoor space using Dollar Tree candle holders. You'll need glass candle holders, some black or bronze spray paint, battery-operated tea lights, and optional decorative wire or rope. Start by spraying the candle holders with your chosen paint color for a sleek, modern finish. Let them dry completely. Place a battery-operated tea light inside each holder for safe, flickering light that lasts all night. For an extra touch, wrap decorative wire or rope around the base or handle for rustic charm. Arrange these lanterns along pathways, patios, or hanging from branches to create a warm, inviting ambiance without expensive outdoor lighting. Number 10. Outdoor rustic signs using Dollar Tree wood plaques. Now let's add personality to your garden with rustic outdoor signs. Made from Dollar Tree wood plaques, you'll need plain wood plaques, acrylic paint in earthy tones, stencils or your own hand lettering skills, and a weatherproof sealant. Start by painting the base coat on your plaque and letting it dry completely. Next, use stencils or freehand your favorite garden sayings or plant names with contrasting paint colors. Once your design is dry, seal the sign with a weatherproof sealant to protect it from rain and sun. Finally, attach twine or hooks so you can hang your sign on fences, trees, or garden stakes. These signs bring charm and a personal touch to any outdoor space while staying durable and budget-friendly. Number 11. Chic storage boxes with faux leather look. Let's start this next set with chic storage boxes that look like pricey leather but come straight from Dollar Tree. You'll need plain storage boxes or baskets, faux leather contact paper, and a strong adhesive or glue gun. First, clean your boxes and measure the contact paper to fit each side. Carefully wrap the boxes with the faux leather paper, smoothing out any bubbles for a sleek finish. If desired, add decorative knobs or handles from the Dollar Tree hardware section for an extra touch of elegance. These stylish storage boxes are perfect for organizing anything from gardening tools to craft supplies, all while keeping your space looking polished and sophisticated. Number 12. Desk organizer from Dollar Tree containers. Next, we're creating a sleek desk organizer using Dollar Tree containers that will keep your workspace tidy and stylish. You'll need various plastic containers in different sizes, spray paint in your favorite neutral color, and strong adhesive. Start by cleaning the containers and spray painting them for a uniform look. Let them dry completely. Arrange and glue the containers together in a way that suits your needs. Tall compartments for pens, shallow ones for paper clips or sticky notes. Once assembled, place it on your desk to keep essentials within easy reach, adding a touch of high-end organization without the cost. Number 13. Bathroom vanity tray with marble contact paper. For this project, we're making a bathroom vanity tray that feels luxurious, but is super easy to create with Dollar Tree supplies. You'll need a simple tray, marble contact paper, and adhesive. Start by cleaning your tray, then carefully cut and apply the marble contact paper to the tray's surface, smoothing out any bubbles. Trim the edges neatly for a polished finish. This tray is perfect for organizing perfumes, skincare, or makeup, turning your vanity into a chic spa-like space without spending a fortune. Number 14. High-end inspired makeup brush holder. Next, let's upgrade your beauty routine with a high-end inspired makeup brush holder made from simple Dollar Tree items. You'll need a plain container or jar, some faux marble contact paper or metallic paint, and decorative accents like ribbon or beads. Start by wrapping the container with the marble paper or painting it with metallic paint for a sleek finish. Add a touch of personality by gluing on ribbon or beads around the rim. Once dry, fill it with your makeup brushes to instantly elevate your vanity's look with elegance and style without breaking the bank. Number 15. Floating shelves from Dollar Tree wooden brackets. Finally, let's build beautiful floating shelves that add both style and function to any room using Dollar Tree wood and brackets. You'll need wooden plaques or boards, shelf brackets, paint or stain, and screws. Start by sanding the wood pieces and painting or staining them to match your decor. Once dry, attach the brackets securely to the wall at your desired height. Then place the wooden shelves on the brackets and secure them with screws. These shelves are perfect for displaying plants, books, or decor, giving your space that high-end custom look for a fraction of the price. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today, diving into these 15 fresh, high-end inspired Dollar Tree DIY projects for 2025. I hope these ideas have sparked your creativity and shown you that elegance and style don't have to come with a big price tag. What I love most about these projects is how they prove that with a little vision and a few simple materials, we can transform everyday items into beautiful treasures that bring joy, warmth, and personality to our homes and gardens. It's all about making spaces that feel timeless and uniquely yours, no matter your budget. If you decide to try any of these DIYs, Please don't hesitate to share your results and stories in the comments below. I truly love seeing how you bring these projects to life in your own way. It's inspiring for me and for the whole timeless gardening community. If this video gave you value and inspiration, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel and lets me know you want more content like this. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to Timeless Gardening so you never miss a chance to explore new affordable ways to beautify your home and garden with creativity and heart. Make sure to hit the notification bell too, so you're the first to know when fresh ideas and projects drop each week. Remember, gardening and crafting aren't just about the end result. They're about the joy of creating, nurturing, and making your environment a reflection of your love and care. Thank you again for being part of this journey with me. Until next time, keep dreaming big, crafting boldly, and growing beautifully. Take care and see you soon.